1. Polar FT4 Heart Rate Monitor. This Polar FT4 is hardcore heart rate monitor watch. This colorful heart monitoring watch is packed with some features to make you healthy. This watch is available in different color combinations such as purple, pink, blue, orange, and light, dark green. The watch has placeable battery option, and the battery can easily replace when it shows the low sign. This watch is also packed with other features, like Smart Calorie feature to count the burnt calories during the workout. This smartwatch has 12 months of battery life, which means you do not have to change the battery on this smartwatch over and over. Two. Garmin Vivofit 2. This watch is available in two variants, one with heart rate counter, other is without the counter, for those who wants to stay healthy and alert all day. This watch is absolutely worth your consideration. This daily wearable watch has some features. This smartwatch can automatically learn your typical activity level and suggests a personalized your daily goal. The backlight feature on this smartwatch can easily help you to see your health status. This smartwatch shows your progress 24/7 and shows your steps, calories, distance, and time of day on its easy-to-read, backlight display. Three. Fitbit Blaze Smart Fitness Watch. This daily wearable watch monitors your daily activities such as total active minutes, floors climbed, distance covered, and calories burned. This watch also provides wrist heart rate monitor all day long. This watch is also completed with some features like GPS and FitStar workouts, all-day activity and sleep tracking, smartphone notifications, and reminders to move. In addition, it also comes with interchangeable band and frames and customizable clock faces on the high-resolution color touchscreen. 4. Fitbit Charge 2 Heart Rate Monitor. The big glass screen of this watch is easily accessible so you can easily view your calls, text, and calendar notification. The simple heart rate monitor on this list includes the calorie burn feature. This watch also comes with a cool interchangeable wristband. This Fitbit Charge 2 is the best-selling piece from the Fitbit company. This piece is also completed with a Pulse continuous heart rate tracker, which makes it easy to maximize and more accurate tracker. Better track calorie burn and get a snapshot of your cardio fitness level, while all-day activity and auto sleep tracking lets you see how your whole routine adds up. 5. Mio Alpha 2 Heart Rate Watch. This watch has Bluetooth 4.0 technology. It is water-resistant and configured heartbeat monitor device to give ultimate fitness experience. This watch also tracks daily calories burned, pace, and distance covered. It also has bright LED screen. This watch has also completed with a revolutionary technology, personal activity intelligence, PI. It will measure your body's response to physical activity, providing guidance on how much activity is required to maintain optimal health.